No, I'm asking you, where are your two sons now?
They went to perform at the Prison Staff Club. Ever since yesterday, they're not back yet. Any problem?
I've come to show them the result of their efforts.
Okay.
Now tell me, who is responsible for your pregnancy? Is it Piro or Patra? Say it now. Talk.
I don't know. I'm confused. Oh, you are confused. Okay. The two of them use the same style of... My friend, the two of them use the same style of... Eh? Yeah. Use the same style for...
This is not time for joking. Let me tell you the truth. Of course, you know what I can do.
I know.
If I handle both of them, oh God. See, I'm not joking with you. You know, you see.
I know very well what you can do. And I know also what you cannot do. What you cannot do is to walk into my compound like a basically with this mungula you call your daughter, this loose dog, and then you shout on me. Who are you? Excuse me. A girl doesn't know the style the children use. Whether it's option A1 or option A4. She can't remember. Did they rape her? Was she forced to?
So you are supporting them?
Should I crucify them? Mongulu, who gave you? You see?
Okay, no problem. Don't worry. Come, let us go.
Don't worry.
You will see.
Go and sit down.
We shall see.
Tame this one.
Don't worry. We shall see.
Don't worry what? Look at the man of yesterday.
Don't worry.
In Monrovia, you were even begging for food. Because you went to Zimbabwe and stole contract money. You are here making preke. See that tall Mongol you call your daughter. My small prube mwicho just started doing and not pure tali. Almost very proud tali. I'm going home. Make you not kill yourself or if you tell no one no.
Papa, don't bother yourself about that man. I can single-handedly face him. Who is he? If he's not a coward, let him block my way any day. Don't worry.
Leave that one first. My main concern is this. You guys, you broke record. You guys are terrible and fine terrible. How the two of you do it that she didn't even know who put her in the family way?
Papa, you mean Peter slept with that girl after my warnings?
Yes.
Well, anyway, Papa, I still love that girl. Don't worry about what the father was doing.
You know something? You are very stupid. You are stupidity raised to power 2. What's wrong with you? Hey! Ima is very dangerous. So Ima, I knew him right way back in Liberia. Ima, we used to call him Ima of Isikuato. Very dangerous. Listen, if there's any place for you to go and hide now. Before he destroys you or breaks into smithereens.
I should start hiding.
I say that Ima is dangerous.
But Papa, I just need serious plan to overcome his temptation. Don't worry about that. I can handle him.
Thank you. So you better plan fast. Go and find a place to hide. If you like, hide like the ostrich like this. Let your waist be outside and they come and cut only the waist and leave your neck, idiot. Come and say, Papa.
Sorry, Papa. You know, I have forgiven you because of my brother. One thing, I want us to think together and fight Mr. Emmanuel.
Yeah, thanks. But I think the best way we can go about this is to compose a song in his name and sing it wherever we go for any event. That way we'll drag his name to the dust. You know, this is election time.
That means we should go and support his opponent.
And that's it.
It's a good idea, but that's a soft punishment for Mr. Emmanuel. Let's look for something serious to, get him.
Man, that man is a hard man. He can dare any consequences and even challenge us back.
So, what horrible things should we do now to punish him?
I think the best way to, deal with a politician is to attack his political ambition.
Yes. Are you talking about blackmailing him?
Sure. Forgotten. The real blackmail, this one is the real blackmail, not even ordinary blackmailing. It's pure blackmail, pure and real blackmail.
That's a good idea. But do you have any idea what kind of blackmail are we going to use?
you forgotten about his girlfriend?
Them they hustle like say tomorrow no day. If them no get them way, hey, them go cause kata kata. B plus B, double trouble, danger. No try their hustle. Them get their swagger, Ben 10, B plus B.